How do you bring an old course's content into a new course? Whether the new course is a MiStar created course that automatically shows up on your dashboard, or you clicked Start a New Course to get working on a new iteration of a former course. So see, I have my old course down here, and I want to bring all of that content, or much of that content, here into my new course. So I'm going to open up my new course, and right here on the home page, which would likely be blank if it's a brand new course, there's this button, Import Existing Content. You can find that right on the home page. You can also likely find it down here if you go into the settings of the course, but it's also right here, Import Existing Content. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on this arrow to see the different content types I can upload. And I want to import a Canvas course that I've already used, whether it be from last year or something I've been working on over the summer that I want to import into my new course for the new year or semester. So copy a Canvas course, and I can just type in the course name that I know that it is. So I know the course that I want to copy is called Old Course. And so it's going to find that for me. And then there are some options. And I honestly will lean toward recommending selecting specific content, because there are things perhaps from your last year's course that you really probably won't want again. Maybe you don't want announcements. If you're sure you want absolutely everything, you are welcome to click All Content. And then I do suggest that you click Adjust Events and Due Dates, and then click Remove Dates, because, you know, things change. Things usually don't stay the same, and especially if you're bringing in any events or anything else, it's really hard to change those. So I would go ahead and remove the dates, and then click Import. Now what will happen down here, you can see I have, because I've imported several times, I have some completed ones. But this one tells me it's waiting for selection, and that's because I said I wanted to select specific content. If you don't select that, it will get queued up right away and will keep working. So I'm going to click Select Content. And this is where I can say, yep, I'd like the course settings. Yes, I'd like the syllabus. Yes, I like all the modules. If you click this little arrow, let's say, I don't really want, this important links module. And so select that. And now I have selected it all, to the point where I probably could have selected all content. But I like this step because it just confirms for me. I can go ahead and say, oh, okay, yeah, I do want that, or I don't want that, even if I do end up wanting it all. Click Select Content. It's going to be queued, and that's just kind of processing. So you give it a few moments, and it will change over to running, and you can see this little bar running. You do want to wait for it to finish, but I like to make sure that it runs completely. I can see the progress bar going, depending on how large of a course and how much content you had in your previous course. It might take a while, and now it's completed. But now it's done, and all of that course content has been imported automatically.